In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use WooCommerce shortcodes in WordPress. Shortcodes in WooCommerce provide a streamlined way to execute complex functions with little effort. These snippets of code can be used, for example, to display products in various ways, or add features like carts and checkout pages to any post or page on your WordPress site. Regardless of your level of experience with WordPress, understanding how to utilize these shortcodes effectively can significantly enhance your site's functionality and user experience. Firstly, you'll need to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is where you manage all aspects of your WordPress site, including content, appearance, and plugins. It's essentially the control center for your website. Once you're in the dashboard, you're going to look for the Customize option. This area is your go-to for adjusting your site's appearance, including themes, widgets, and menus. The customization settings offer a live preview of changes, making it easier to see how adjustments will affect your site before they go live. After you've clicked on Customize, you'll notice an option labeled Use Site Editor if your theme supports full site editing. This editor represents a significant leap toward more user-friendly site construction, allowing you to edit your site using blocks. This means you can easily add, remove, and adjust elements on your site with a high degree of flexibility and control. Once you've entered the site editor, it's time to locate the Toggle Block Inserter. This tool is essentially your library of blocks, including everything from paragraphs and images to more complex elements like widgets and, crucially for us, shortcodes. The block inserter is your gateway to adding diverse functionalities to your site with just a few clicks. Now you should be ready to add a shortcode. To do this, find the shortcode block in the block inserter. The shortcode block allows you to insert custom shortcodes that can execute a wide range of functions on your site. For WooCommerce, these could be shortcodes to display recent products, featured products, product categories, or even a checkout process. When you select the shortcode block, you'll get an input field where you can enter or paste the shortcode you wish to use. For the most crucial step, insert your desired shortcode into the provided field. WooCommerce offers a variety of shortcodes that you can use to customize your online store. For instance, you might use a shortcode to display a product grid of your newest items to visitors. Each shortcode serves a unique purpose, enabling you to tailor your site's functionality and appearance to your specific needs. After inserting your shortcode, don't forget to hit the Save button. This action applies your changes, making the shortcode active on your site. It's essential to view your site after saving to ensure the shortcode works as expected. Sometimes shortcodes might require additional parameters or adjustments to work correctly. So this step helps you verify everything is set up perfectly. And there you have it, a concise guide to using WooCommerce shortcodes within WordPress. These shortcodes can significantly streamline adding complex functionality to your site, allowing you to focus more on other aspects of managing your online store. Consider experimenting with different shortcodes to discover how they can enhance your site's functionality and improve your customers' experience. Remember, the key to effective use of shortcodes lies in understanding each shortcode's function and how it can be best utilized within your site's context. With practice, you'll find adding new features and elements to your site with shortcodes both effortless and intuitive. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has demystified using WooCommerce shortcodes in WordPress. Whether you're looking to showcase particular products, streamline the shopping process, or add any number of WooCommerce's extensive features to your site, shortcodes are a powerful tool in your WordPress arsenal. So go ahead and experiment with them to see how they can enhance your online store. Happy coding!